How to change Play Store password. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Google Play Store password. Now, changing Google Play Store password basically means you're changing the account password that you are logged into your Play Store. Now, you can know which account you are logged into by simply heading to the profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find at the top right corner of the screen, and you can see I'm logged into my account here, bipinbasnet1@gmail.com. Now, what you want to do is simply tap on manage your Google account right here, and it'll open up your Google account here. Let it load up for a while. Then what you want to go is scroll to the sidewards and head into security here. And on security, what you want to do is scroll down below and you'll find the option password. You can see. Tap on it and open it up. And here first you'll need to enter your password. I'll just type in my password here real quick. Now here you can see that I've typed in my password and it'll ask me to type in my new password. So this way, after you type in your old password, you'll get an option to confirm your new password and you can just confirm it. I'll just confirm it here. So this way you can change your Play Store password. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.